Relative pronouns connect ideas and give more information about people or things. Who is a special relative pronoun used only for people. It refers to people as the subject of a relative clause, the person doing the action. Use who when a person performs the action in the relative clause. Who acts as the subject, the doer of the action. It replaces words like he, she, or they in the clause about that person. The boy who won the race is happy. Here who tells us which boy, the one doing the winning. The teacher who teaches us is kind. Who identifies which teacher performs the teaching. The man who lives next door helps everyone. Who shows which man does the living next door. Dr. Smith, who discovered the cure, is famous. Who identifies which doctor made the discovery. The girl who sings beautifully won the contest. Who tells us which girl does the beautiful singing. Engineers who design bridges need math skills. Who specifies which engineers create the bridges. Practice using who correctly. The man who called you is my uncle. Who identifies which man made the call. I met the girl who you told me about. Who specifies which girl you mentioned. This is the artist who painted this beautiful mural. Who tells us which artist created the artwork. Fill in these blanks with who. The woman who lives next door is friendly. Who identifies which woman does the living nearby. That's the doctor who saved my life. Who specifies which doctor performed the saving. The students who study hard pass exams. Who tells us which students do the studying. Here are the correct answers. The woman who lives next door is friendly. That's the doctor who saved my life. The students who study hard pass exams. He is the manager who everyone respects. Who always refers to the person doing the action as subject. Who refers to people performing the action. It is always the subject of the relative clause. Never use who for things or animals. Who makes descriptions clear and specific about people.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.